This video shows how to modify the detergent and rinse aid hoses to work with the Rhima Enviro detergents. Ensure the correct PPE is worn when undertaking this task. The supplied yellow cap is for the detergent bottle and the blue cap is for the rinse aid bottle. Start by removing the existing weights and filters from the chemical hoses and leave with the customer. If the hose is discoloured or has deteriorated, cut this portion off. If the whole hose needs replacing, then do this prior to installing the new caps. Before inserting the chemical hose into the rubber tube, smear a small amount of silicone around the last 2 centimeters of the chemical hose, being careful not to block the end of the hose with the silicone, and secure tightly with the supplied cable ties. It is important to create an airtight seal. Fit the cap onto the new bottle firmly, but do not over-tighten. It is important for the cap pin to press the valve release in the bottle fully open, so the caps need to be reasonably tight. Add the supplied label to the hose as shown on the installation guide supplied with the kit, remembering the clear hose with the yellow cap is labelled detergent. Repeat these steps for the rinse aid hose.